Hello, hello, hello. And this is the Southern Belle channel, and I am here with another confession of shame. And you're saying, Belle, you've had confessions before. You've confessed the shame of a purse. You've confessed the shame of needing some home repairs. What in the world is your newest, latest shame? Well, my newest, latest shame is YouTube. Wait, did I just say that right? I don't think that came out right. I mean, YouTube is not a shame. In fact, it has become the delight of my life, my new hobby, and even my second job. And in times where we've had a really bad crop, it has really helped me in paying my bills and in making payments towards my new roof. But here's the shame part. I've realized that my views have started to go down. And I don't just mean the views for these videos, I mean the views for the auction as well. So we have analytics, we track it, I have mod meetings twice a week, and we look to see how well or how poorly we do. And we've been seeing that the views have been going down on Sunday. Now, we thought about maybe moving the auction to a different day. We thought about moving the time to a different day. And a few of my mods felt strongly that y'all knew on Sunday night you need to tune in to the Southern Belle auction. So it would be harder to pick a new night and get everybody orientated to, well, that's the night of the Southern Belle auction. So they suggested moving it to a later time. I did a poll on the community post to see if instead of starting it at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, if y'all would prefer to start it at 8 or maybe at 9. And with over 80% of the vote, y'all said 9. So I was really surprised that it was such a landslide. But I ask polls so that I can listen to people. It's really hard for me to think that at 9 o'clock at night, you're suddenly going to want to buy things. Or 10 o'clock on the East Coast. But we're going to try it out because with that many people suggesting it and voting for that, there must be something to it. Maybe when people are laying in bed at night and can't sleep, maybe they're secretly in a buying mood. I don't know. We're going to find out, though, this Sunday at 9 p.m. So this is a big announcement that the auction is moving. So Bargains by Belle, formerly at 7 p.m., is now at 9 p.m. Hopefully this will allow more people to come on. Now I know a few of you are saying, no, if you wait that late, people are going to go to other auctions. Well, that's okay. I have friends that do other auctions, and even if I don't admit it, people are going to other auctions anyway. But that's okay because there are plenty of room for every auction. Think about it like TV. You don't watch just one TV show. Oh, no, no. You watch multiple TV shows and multiple TV shows per night. So if you think about the number of shows you watch in a night and then the number of shows you watch in a week or a weekend, you'll see that there's plenty. So I know that if people can watch multiple TV shows, even multiple game shows, multiple sitcoms, multiple dramas, and TV networks purposely arrange them that way so that there is one comedy after another, or one drama after another. So I'm trying to arrange it on purpose where if y'all want to watch other auctions first, fine, great. You'll even see me in the chat rooting on my friends. But after, at 9 p.m. Central Standard Time, y'all can come to my auctions. Y'all can even encourage those auctioneers to come too, because it's always nice when friends support friends. So now that I've made this confession and I've told you what the solution is, because you can't expect other people to change or to change the whole trends. All you can do is change yourself. So instead of whining and crying about the situation, I'm changing myself, I'm changing my channel, I'm changing my auction time, and we'll see if this helps the situation. Because I'm the kind of person that finds solutions, implements change, and keeps working on it. And you be that kind of person too. Laissez bon temps rouler. Let the good times roll. Roll in your life. Roll in your heart. Roll in your soul. Roll in your auction attendance. Roll on and on and on. May God bless you. Bye-bye.